Let's take a look at how to manage experiments in SciNote and create experiment templates. Experiments are the second level of a project in SciNote. To briefly review the structure inside SciNote, projects are the first level and are to be understood as main folders. Experiments are the second level and can be understood as subfolders. And tasks are the third level and hold your protocols and notes. In this video tutorial, we'll explore experiments. Start by creating a new experiment by clicking on the New Experiment button. Here you'll give it a name and a description if you would like. Smart annotations work in this rich text field. Once finished, click Create. If you wish to change the title or a description of an experiment that is already created, click the three dots in the top right corner, or select the card and click Edit. Here you can also view who has access to the experiment and their permissions. A convenient time-saving feature with experiments is that you can use them as templates. Let's say you do the same set of protocols every week on a different sample. I can simply copy this experiment as a template by clicking Duplicate. It is possible to copy the experiment to other projects you are working on as well. Select the desired project you want this template to be created in, and then click Duplicate. Now you have a clone of this experiment. Only the protocol steps of the task are copied. Everything else, like results, comments, and due dates, were not copied over, because in different experiments, you will most likely add and upload new ones. Similarly, you can choose to move an experiment. You can only move an experiment to those projects that have the same or additional project members. If you choose to move an experiment card, all of its content will be moved, including results, comments, and so forth. Select the project and then click Move. Lastly, if you wish to archive the experiment, when the card is selected, click Archived. This action will move the card to the archive state, which you can restore at any time. Let's go back to the experiment section. I want to show you how you can sort and filter experiments. You can click on the sorting icon to sort experiments by name, ID, created on, and so forth. Click on the filter icon to filter down which experiments you want to view based on text, the start date, and modified date. To learn more about SciNote, continue watching our tutorial videos and explore the resources linked below.